Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn lock your photos album on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone. Go to Gallery. After that, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Here, click on Settings. Once you are in Gallery settings, scroll down to the very bottom. Look for the About Gallery option. Click on it. After that, at the very top, find the gallery version there. Simply repeatedly tap on this name. After repeatedly tapping this name, you can find the labs. This means gallery labs is enabled. Now back to the previous screen. Scroll down again. Go to gallery labs option. After that, scroll down to the page. Here you can see various options. Find the album entry locks button. Right now this option is turned off. Simply turn it on first. After it's turned on, close the gallery app your phone, then reopen it. After that, go to album at the very bottom. Now find the exact album if you want to lock them. For example, I am locked this download album. Simply tap on hold it. After that, tap on the more button at the bottom right corner, then choose lock album. And right now this album successfully lock it. If you decide to access the lock album, simply tap on their name, then verify to enter your phone screen password or fingerprint unlock and see the result. Thanks for watching, subscribing my new channel, also like this video.